water bottles.
Alright, we're at the action here at KFBC backyard. We're actually doing a car wash today. And here's Tony and Brian. Thank you. Also, there's Chandosanim. There you go. Today what we're doing is we're going to promote our EM ministry by giving out free water bottles. Yes, it's all free. And as you can see, the logo we have.
Thirsty for the water of life.
Are you thirsty for the water of life? So we're giving out water, and we're also doing car wash. Our 4 cars, introducing a Maxima, Golf, Tony's car, and Brian's Civic. Anyways, I'll continue this video later on as we get more people. Hopefully we get a lot of people. It was terrible weather today, but you know, the sun's out today, beautiful day, and a bunch of people helping.
Get your free car wash, please.
What are you guys doing?
You need a free car wash!